VBMAC, VBMAC Turrell Group. This is a booth specially designed for making jeans with automation. VBMAC Italy produces from last 30 years. It is making automation, exclusively automation for VBMAC jeans technology. So this is started in 1980. VBMAC is supplying machineries in India and 60 countries all over the world from 1980. In India, we have machine working since last 35 years. So automation, what makes the difference is normally when a person on a factory wants to make a jeans, 1000 jeans for example, conventional method they take 80 machines, 100 workers total. Here we are cutting down 50% of the labor workers and increasing the efficiency of the productivity and the quality. So here our line is consisting of 11 VBMAC machine, remaining 24 other machines like single needle, double needle, overlock, whatever. So 25 machine, we are setting a line of 800 jeans in 8 hours. So I'm going to show you operation by operation how we are going to cut down the cost with the automation of VBMAC. Please. So here we start from the back section. The pocket is hemmed with the 2 needle chain stitch or VBMAC V700 automatic 2 needle chain stitch hemming machine. So now we are going to do the decoration. This machine is going to do 2 operations in one cycle. One is the decoration of the pocket, and the second one is the attaching of this patch label on the pocket with double color. And this, we are the only company who has double color technology in the world. Any helper, first day, first hour person can work on this machine. For example, you see, this is a right side pocket with the label and the decoration. The second one is on the sequence. It is doing only the decoration, not the label. So right pocket with both, the left pocket only the decoration with double color. So this is going to be right pocket, left pocket. Okay, it takes seconds. Yep. And any operator, I am not an operator, but I can operate, you can operate. This is the advantage. And this machine, after both the pocket are decorated, now it is going to be creasing, automatic creasing. If you are going to make a manual ironing, the lady has to have an iron, she has to fold by hand. It takes, one pocket will take more than 2 minutes. Here, seconds, both the pockets are ready. You see the quality? There won't be any raw edges. It is perfect. Our machine V100HA, this is creasing only. The heat is required only on the edges. So it is making a perfect creasing quality. So the second one is happening there. So now 2 pockets ready, right and left. Now we are going to attach with the automatically. Right panel with the right label. Here it is doing almost 2 operations, double color, pocket attaching with also bar tacking done. Normally in a conventional line, that bar tack is done separately with another machine and another operator. Here we are cutting down 1 operator, 1 machine again. But attaching pocket itself, we are cutting down 12 people for a 1000 jeans line. With bar tack. Look now, right pocket attached with the label, left pocket without label. This is a set. Now we are going to assemble it. This is a feed of the arm, highest speed in the world, 5000 RPM VBMAC machine. It's like we call it a Ferrari of VBMAC machine. It's 5000 RPM. The head is made in Japan by Seiko. Just got a special puller, rubber puller, Zero Max puller, what we call it, and we have got something like DCP control, patented, dynamic pressure control. The advantage when you have a joints, automatically the pressure is adjusted and the speed is adjusted so that the joint passes through smoothly, no skip stitches, no condensing stitches, needle is not breaking, operator is not stopping or pulling. You can see, and now he is doing 3 operations on it: yoke attach, back rise, and inseam. This is a back rise. With automatic chain cutter. The front panel is already pre-prepared. See, on the joint, it goes smoothly without any cutting or breaking the thread or needle or anything. And the quality is perfect. And you see the advantage of our machine from the beginning till here, 7 operations, only 1 operator is handling. It means it's so flexible. You see, basically this machine has done 3 operations now: yoke, back rise, and inseam. Okay. Now we are going to have out seam with the submergible overlock, 5-thread overlock. Okay, now side seam is done, both sides with the 5-thread overlock. Now it has become tubular. Now he is going to do the operation top stitch on the side seam. So now this operation is done. Now we are going to attach with a VB Mac automatic waistband machine. This machine is a unique machine in the world. The reason is, on the conventional machines, they have to work with the clutch motor, very slow operation. Then they have to open the stitches in the beginning and in the end, then to close. Here, automatically the program is done. It will skip in the beginning, also chop. You can see there is a skip in the beginning, also in the end there is a skip and then chop. So it makes the highest productivity and less helper requirement, no helper requirement at all in this. No need to open, then close. Here it is already ready to, next process. Very high speed machine. Also this machine we have got, it is a 2 needle chain stitch. For example, on this machine we have an option. If some customer want lock here and chain here, lock here, we can make it in 10 minutes. 3022 WB 406 1 FLX. FLX means flexibility, flexible. That is what I explained to you. You can change lock and chain. It's a unique machine in the world. Okay, it's 100% made in Italy.
Okay.
Next, he is going to close that waistband mouth. Of course, this is a manual operation. But imagine if we are not doing on that VB Mac automatic waistband machine, the operator has to close by hand, again re-stitch with the lock stitch. So here it is ready, it is still faster. So now he closed the mouth. Ready. So our machine skipped from here. It was open here, so it is easy for him to close immediately. Now this garment has taken a shape. almost you can say 100%. Assembly is done now. Now after the waistband we are going to attach the loops, 5 loops on it. This is a unique machine again, 4650 EV9R automatic loop attaching machine by VBMAC. In this machine you just need to insert the ready loop, continuous lengthy loop. It pulls, cuts based on your sizes and folds and attaches with the 2 needles. On this machine special application is there. You can have a multiple bar tacking on the loops. Already 6 bar tacks are preloaded in the panel. You can choose sequence like we are doing here now. Yeah. We are doing 3 different bar tacks in the same garment. Very easy to operate. Anybody can operate, easy to train. You don't need required a skilled operator on this machine. No, you make only. You see, for example, here is a cross bar tack, here cross bar tack, and here it is a box, and in the front it is double bar tack. Okay, sequence. Next, we are doing bottom hemming with the VBMAC bottom hemming machine 3022BHE. L stands for lock stitch. It is also one of unique machine, 100% made in Italy. The same machine can be converted to chain stitch. Okay, lock to chain. We have 2 options of folders, downturn folder and upturn folder, depending upon operator and buyer requirement. This machine has got a Zero Max puller, patented by VBMAC. It has got a very small cylinder bed, the circumference of 52.5 millimeter, 100% made in Italy, high speed with automatic trimmer with a large hook.
Needle fit.
Yeah, it's a needle. So, almost the garment is ready now. As far as the stitching part concerned, here we are finishing the garment with the bottom hemming. Now, next we are going to do the eyelet buttonhole.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just a moment.
So, you are done with the buttonhole now. It's the bar tack operation. Okay, this is the 2 stitches bar tack. Now we are going to do the पहले रिवेट कर लो. Okay, rivet is done. Now button, we are attaching the button. Okay. Now the operation is ready now. Now what we are going to do? Ali, 1 minute. So we are going to just trim out whatever leftover threads. Very little thread is left over because all our machines are using underbed trimmers, automatic trimmers. So whatever left over is very little. So now we are going to do pressing. Press karo. This is a Naomoto pressing and table machine made in Japan. Oh, look. Okay. So now we are going to make the form finisher by automatic Naomoto form finisher. Tag देना tag. दूसरा so now it is with the air and the steam, it is going to be taking a form shape with the yes, it's ready. Now what we are going to do, okay. The garment is ready. We have something like tag. Here is your garment is ready.